Good afternoon. This is the second consecutive Sunday that I've stood here and said what a difference a week makes when it comes to the weather. And just to illustrate the point, yes, in Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England last week, we had clear blue sky and sunshine with highs of 28 degrees. We did, however, see some torrential thundery downpours, which led to some localised flooding in the southeast. But this Sunday, we'll be lucky if we get 20 degrees and only in a few places. It's cool out there. And yes, there are still some sharp showers around. Need to keep an eye on these sharper showers, though, developing into South Wales and southwest England. These could become quite torrential indeed. But top temperatures, again, still pretty disappointing for the beginning of August. 15 to 20 Celsius the high. Tuesday, best day of the week in terms of dry, sunny weather. Just a few showers threatening into Northern Ireland. Temperatures still struggling though, 20, maybe 21 if we're lucky. That's 70 Fahrenheit.
Hello there, very good afternoon to you. I hope you're having a lovely Sunday so far. Generally speaking, the weather is a little bit better than it was yesterday, but there is still a fair amount of rain around and still some fairly heavy and at times thundery showers towards the south coast. The potential for a weather warning being issued for the south coast for those heavy showers this afternoon. And through tomorrow, not looking too bad. Still the risk of showers, most of those showers towards the south. And it's sunny spells and showers for Tuesday and Wednesday, wet and windy, I'm afraid, on Thursday. See you later.
Good evening to you. For a time today, it looked like the weather was never going to shape itself up. But the weak cold front we had with the showers eventually cleared away. We got a bit of late brightness and it was a flavour of the next couple of days. Dry and settled to start this week, but it turns more unsettled later. Bit of a fresh feel first thing tomorrow morning. High single figures in some of our suburbs at best. But it is dry with some early sunshine and then it's sunny spells in the afternoon. Not unbroken sunshine, but a top temperature of 20 Celsius. And as I say, it's not going to last right the way through the week. From Wednesday into Thursday onwards, we start to just pick up the threat of more showers, which lasts into next weekend. Certainly no heat wave in prospect.
Good evening. For most parts of the UK, August hasn't got off to a bad start. There's been some sunny spells around, but there have been some sharp showers as well, and even reports of a funnel cloud there in Kent. That picture from one of our weather watchers.
Hello there. Hope you've all had a lovely Sunday so far. While the weather setup for the rest of this evening is there's still one or two showers around, and because the winds are light, they could be heavy and slow moving, although for most of us becoming mostly dry throughout tonight with clear skies. Well, thankfully, grass pollen isn't really an issue as we go through the next few days. However, weed and nettle pollen could be a bit of an issue. You can see here moderate traces of it on Monday and the next few days. Bye-bye.
Good evening. You may well be wondering what's on the August weather menu, especially after a July that threw us basically every element from the summer buffet. We had some torrential downpours, not everywhere, but where they did show up, they caused some quite significant flooding in places. There was also some heat, a heat wave, which in Northern Ireland broke records, not once, not twice, but 3 times in less than a week. 31.4 degrees, the new provisional temperature record for Northern Ireland. And then for the end of the month, some stormy weather. Storm Avert, which brought some really rough conditions across the south of the UK. On the satellite picture, you can see this curl of cloud. That's our storm system. It cleared away northeastwards, but low pressure still fairly close by through the weekend. That has allowed some showers to develop. High pressure is trying to build in, quite weakly, I have to say. But what this means for the start of the new week is a relatively dry spell of weather, not completely dry. Quite cool as well, but it does look likely to turn wetter and windier later in the week.
Good evening. I suspect most of you want some settled summer sunshine for the beginning of August. Why not? Unfortunately, today it was a slightly disappointing story. There was more cloud around than there was sunshine, as you can see by this weather watcher picture.